Yo, hello guys, welcome back to my another reaction video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video, another reaction from Korea, and I'm going to react the Korean girl group Baby Monster, and the title of the song is We Go Up. So guys, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you are always updated in my reaction video. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. The First Take channel. Guys, this is my first time react the Korean girl group Baby Monster. Perform in the First Take channel. I think this is a copyright music. So let's enjoy watching the performance of Baby Monster, Korean girl group. They are all very pretty. All right. Wow. Yeah. Wow, I like the intro and very nice voice. At maganda yung boses nila, maganda pakinggan. Sa una pa lang na pag-awit nila, talagang mapapasayaw ka na lang talaga. Maganda yung music. So, let's get music again. Yo! Wow, I like this Korean girl group, very talented. And magaganda yung mga boses nila. Kanya-kanya man silang style ng kanilang pag-awit, pero talagang maganda pakinggan. So itong group na ito ay sikat, lalong-lalo na sa bansang Korea at sa iba pang social media. Sikat itong Korean girl group Baby Monster. Marami na silang nagawang performance, then magaganda yung mga music video nila. So let's continue. Yeah. Ang galing mag-rap. Yo! Wait, ang galing nilang mag-rap. So talagang talented talaga. So mapapahanga ka na lang sa kanilang pag-awit. Maganda yung music, nakaka-indak yung beat, at hanga ako sa kanilang taglay na talento pagdating sa pagrarap. So mahirap yun para sa mga kababaihan, pero grabe, sobrang talented nila. At yung performance nila ay talagang nag-e-enjoy sila. So pakinggan pa natin. Ang ganda pakinggan, lalong-lalo na yung beat. Then mapapasayaw ka sa kanilang inaawit. Guys, bukod sa sobrang talented nila sa pag-awit, sa mga performance nila, ang gaganda pa rin talaga nila, no? So, very pretty at sobrang talented nila maging sa kanilang pag-awit at sa kanilang pag-perform sa The First Take Channel. Grabe, sigurado ito ay aabot ng million views dahil talagang maraming sumusuporta dito sa talented group na ito, Korean group Baby Monster. Wow! Very nice performance, Baby Monster. Sounds is good. Yeah! Woo! Baby Monster! The First Take. Wow, that's the video, guys. Another great performance, Baby Monster. The title is We Go Up. And very nice performance. Gusto ko yung kanilang pag-awit, nakaka-indak or yung intro pa lang, yung beat, talagang mapapasayaw ka. Then bawat isa sa kanila, bukod sa kanilang kagandahan, very pretty and very talented. So I like the performance, guys. Baby Monster, the best. So guys, that is for today's video, and thank you for watching, guys. Baby Monster perform The First Take Channel. Thank you for watching, guys.